income received in advance or unearned income. Let's read the question. Rent received during the accounting period, rupees 56,000. What I have received is 56,000. The above rent received includes rupees 6,000 for the next accounting period. Now this is very important. Next accounting period. I have to account for all the expenses and income pertaining to 1st April to 31st March, one financial year or accounting year. Now something going out of these boundaries has not to be recorded in the current financial statement. So the 6,000 rupees is not for this accounting year. So I have to remove it from here, because then it will not show a true and fair picture. So 56,000 minus 6,000, that is 50,000 only to be recorded. So what will be the entry? The rent received. So rent received account debit by 6,000 to rent received in advance $6,000. Try to learn the logic here. Why am I crediting rent received in advance? I had to actually receive it in the next accounting year, but I am receiving it right now. So I pay an obligation that I will not receive it in the next accounting year. So this will be my liability. Always remember that income received in advance is a liability. You can note it down. Any income received in advance is a liability. You have received 6,000 in advance as rent. So first of all, put it in your balance sheet as liabilities, current liabilities. It doesn't pertain to this year, but I have received it here, so it is my current liability. I will not get it in the next year now for that amount. So received in advance, $6,000 here. And what about the P&L? The income side of the P&L. Rent received. How much rent did I actually receive in cash or in bank? Note it down in the inner side column. How much rent is received? 56,000. If I leave it just like this without passing any adjustment entry, will my net profit not increase by 6,000 rupees? Because only 50,000 is what I had to actually receive. I am receiving 56,000. So my net profit will increase by 6,000. To show a true picture, decrease the 6,000. So our formula will be less income received in advance. Here it is less rent received in advance, 6,000. Get 50,000 in the outer column. And now this increase effect will nullify and I will get a correct net profit. So income received in advance. Income received in advance is always a liability. So it is called as unearned income. I have not worked yet to earn this income. I will be working for earning this income in the next financial year, but money I am receiving right now only. So the work is pending to be done to earn that income. So it is a liability now. Work recording this, generating this income is pending. So this is a liability. I have to write in current liability, received in advance 6,000, and remove the received in advance portion from your credit side of P&L account, because otherwise it will overstate your profit by that amount.